how you doing? Hello, hello. Damn. Oh my god. Hello, Mateus. Hello, CK. I will come back later. Oh, okay, okay. Oh my god. Hug. 30 hertz. Also here. How you doing? Hey. Freaking mouse. It's amazing and nice mouse, but freaking circle. It's terrible in this mouse, unfortunately. It's scrolling so bad. Oh my god. What a sound it was. So, damn. Cheers. Bam, 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 bam. I was replying to you on Instagram. Really? I understand. But you're not finished. Seems like I don't get any notification. Ba, 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 ba. Nothing. Oh my god. Whoa. I'm fine. I'm fine. Like, did today some tasks. I didn't send more. For some reason, I got distraction on the way and ended up in a post about scares. Oh shit. Oh my god. I'm like, was today doing something for change the style of these lines. So I'm making another styles to be more nice, like I said yesterday. So I was working with it. Also add some new channel to Discord for clips and something else. What else? I don't remember. So, but yeah, day is nice. Can be more productive, of course, but not bad. So, what about your day? Which only start? Any plans for today? How are you so far? Please bring me bad memories here. Why? Because you like want one moment and it's give you another, yeah? Like, oh my god, I'm okay. Like, I'm okay. I'm alive, you know, and it's okay. Oh my god, poor Mateus. Oh my god. I also a little bit was looking on replay of yesterday's stream to see if everything was good and nice. Seems like it was really nice, and I say that my voice was bad, but I was looking how I was singing it like normal. Like, I think it was even not noticeable, but for me it was noticeable so much. Like, also something happened with music, I don't know what. Like, I'm like praying. What I was talking about, oh my god. Like, I don't know what happened to music, but I think 2 streams in a row, singing streams, music is a little bit more loud than my voice. My voice is too loud, music is like too loud. I need to see on volume of songs and music, because it's like, I don't understand why it's like change, because before was nice, and last 2 streams I didn't do nothing with settings, but it's changed. I don't know, maybe it's Windows, maybe it's Ghost. I don't know who did it every time, like someone who put some vodka in my water, I don't know. At first, when I arrived, you weren't a big fan of Twitch clips here, I remember. Lol. Well, I didn't know how to do these clips, and then when I tried this to do some clip, when I was, it was when I was, it was when I was, it was at this time when I was playing in Dark Deception, and I was trying to do some clip, and I'm like, on next day I was playing. And I was playing and tell you about, like, I was trying to do some clip and then, damn, it's so hard, freaking Twitch clips, what the fuck. And finally I did, like, I want to do one clip but with perfect timing, and I don't know, tap on this video like 7 times, but I don't save these clips. And then I come on my page and there are 7 fucking clips there, but I didn't do them. I was trying to do this perfect moment, but they all save. Ooh. Well, congratulations. It's you for my productive but not productive day. For me, everything was perfect. I don't think your ears. So maybe I didn't notice anything wrong. Well, who know. So, like... Well, then when I was listening it on replays, it also was not bad. But for me, you know, I'm just a little bit like a perfectionist. And it's hard in life when you're perfectionist, so, like, you know. And that's why I like, trying to do all perfect. And if it's not perfect, I'm like, feeling not nice. But I'm 23 years old. I fighting with it, so, and I'm feeling nice now than before. Because before, if I can't to do something perfect, I was like, damn, I probably wrong. Why I can't do this perfect this first time? Lol, this first time I trying it. Why I don't do it perfect? Are you kidding? I need to do it perfect. Oh my god. This congress was for something else, but I can't remember. Ah! Thank you, lol. I was doing my best to try to remind. Oh. So, yeah. Something like this game for today. Yeah, I download some slimes, whatever. Is it on my... Yeah, Slime Rancher. Slime Rancher. It's the... What's with my English today? As I understand, it's like you walk in the, like, vacuuming slimes. So, and something like that. And, second one is Unravel. Second one is Unravel. It's like, I can't explain what is that, but it should be funny. I don't know. I just saw it, watched some how it's trailer, and like, okay, not bad. Let's try. So, which one you want to try first? Slime Rancher or Unravel? My mom asked me, where does Victoria find these games? Lol. On Xbox. Oh my god. Slime, the name is cool. Really? Okay, let's try the slime then. Unravel is interesting too. It's some red thing with needle. Let me see. I don't remember this name on English. Like, threads with threads. Red cat, kind of cat with threads, and you like. Watching on something. Don't tell me this name, I delete this game. Lies of Fide Mateus. I deleted and don't want to remind about it. Oh my god. I also delete Honkai today from my PC because like space not much. I don't play in Honkai. So I deleted. And this game like, it was nice time, me and you. Thank you that you were playing in me. See you next time. I hope you don't load me again. Oh. Could you answer, do you know a comment called Van Mateus? I know. Seriously, Honkai? Yeah. So it's, but Honkai have not bad yet when you delete it. When I delete Genshin at all like was press you on pity, you know, like, are you sure you want to delete me? We spent amazing time together. Do you want to delete me? You still want? Genshin at all, like, trying to make user not delete freaking Genshin. And Honkai just, it was nice time with you, but thank you that you were playing. Hope you will install me again and we will be together. Oh my god. This game is special to me in a way. I met you with this game. It's so cute, damn. So yeah, and it's nice game, but as I tell before, like it's nice game to play just for you. Yeah, I like this game, but as far as I don't play it on stream because it's not so interesting to watch, and plus if I want to do some interesting moments from this stream or just to load it on YouTube, no one will watch because it's like, it's not interesting, so let's be honest. So it's nice to play for you, like I like to play in it, I like to like doing something, but it's not game which people want to see, like which people won't look at. So Genshin trying to put psychological, yeah, it was psychological pressure, yeah, that's what it was. So Genshin is like have some tactic. So we will start with slimes. Yep. Hiccup. Where's slime? Oh, right, slime over here. Yeah. Yanin. Okay, slime's right open. I'm not sure if the music in this slime rancher, but let's see. I see a lot of channels with a lot of viewers here on Twitch in Genshin. There are a lot of people. Yeah, but these people, you know, yeah, for Genshin more users. So, but like these people was playing in something else before Genshin, and they have auditory, and this auditory watching everything and what they playing. So, and Genshin is one of this game. So I think for playing Genshin or Honkai, you need to be in love with this game. I think, like, it's like Counter-Strike, you know. If you don't play in it well, no one will watch it. No one don't want watching how you die in in stupid way. I have a different view, but it's okay. Which view you have? Tell me. Well, this game looks cozy. Write me. Let's sing this topic, finished it, and then we start playing. Oh. Well, music is nice, yeah? Can you hear it? I think yeah, should. But probably it even can be louder than my voice. Can you hear me nice? My mom's dying! Oh no. Perfect. Oh, nice. So tell me about your view. Like, like. Ding, ding. One, 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 one. I probably will take a quart. We need charge mouse. Charge mouse. What the fuck? Papa. Cavo, the heck? Okay. Mouse charging successful. Bum, bum. Ding, ding, ding. There are a lot of people looking for new streamers playing Genshin or even Kais. There are channels that grow from the beginning just by playing famous games. I mean, it's possible. Yeah, it's possible, but you know how many times it takes, Mateus? You should be so interesting when you're playing in this game. You should be interesting like a person. You need interesting to play in this game. So, possible everything. Everything is possible. Like, whenever you're doing, it's possible, like, to grow up. I've been at Twitch for a long time. I've seen a little bit of everything. Lol. But just my opinion. No, I respect your opinion too, and I'm here with you in any game. Thank you. Well, but yeah, it's possible to grow in everything what you want. So, but it depends how much time it takes. Yeah. So, let's see. Choose a save icon. This one, damn. Oh my god. Ooh, this is cute. I like this one. Where it was orange. Tutorials. Enabled. Fear. Late game. Okay. Seems like everything is good. Wing, 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 wing. Carrot! Who ate? After a long day of slime wrenching, Beatrix Liebel was enjoying a cool glass of carrot juice as we watched the sun set across the slime sea. Suddenly, a boat arrived at her dock with nothing inside but a mysterious letter. Is it music no loud? You have explored the far, far range, from the dusty shores of the dry reef to the farthest reaches of the perilous glass desert. but there are worlds yet uncharted. Beatrix Liebel, Rainbow Island, Iceland. Island. Is Iceland. Yeah. Rainbow Island awaits you. Climb aboard if you're ready for a new adventure. Let's go. Beatrix excitedly boarded the boat and it took her across the slime sea. Eventually, she saw an island. Eventually, she saw an island unlike anything on the far, far range. Mountains, trees, and grasses, all in an array of colors that danced and moved like a dream. Hello, Pigeon! How you doing? What's up? Hello, hello. How are you today? As she explored, she found an abandoned conservatory overlooking the rest of the island. Curiously, it was equipped with everything a slime rancher like her would ever need to wrangle slime, start a farm, and build gadgets. Gadgets! What the fuck it was? And so a new adventure begins. Beatrix tightened her boots, raiders her backpack, and set out to explore Rainbow Island and uncover its mysteries. Hang? You mean you hangover? You have hangover? Damn. Could you bing? Just a second. Hanover. I'm Han. Like honey, you know. I got a hangover. Whoa. Oh my god. So, sleep for 6 hours. Sleep until night. Sleep until morning. Do we need sleep? Okay, I sleep until morning. Quitting. Went out last night, drank too much, not enough water. Oh, damn! Cheers, pigeon! Oh my god. Drink this one. How it's named. Oh my gosh. What I need to do? Garden. Coop. Silo. Pond. I don't know. Can I buy it? Okay, I need to buy probably this one, yeah? Okay, but how to catch this thing? Ah! Hehe. Well, what the heck? I think mouse is too sensitive. There is mouse sensitivity. What is that? Graphics. I think here. Oh, mouse sensitivity. Let me apply. I think more. Well, I think it's better. What the heck? Don't understand. Lol. Okay, I get slimes. What the heck is this star? Lol, I get it, chicken. Okay, but I need come there and shoot back the slimes, yeah? Here. Point. Okay. What I need to do? Select vac tank. Food like fruits, veggies, or chicken are used for feed slimes. And like here. Damn, they going to eat chicken. Ah! They ate chicken. Rooster! Damn. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see. We need to walk, grab something else. There is like money. Ah, I need going there. Like, what is that? Ah, it's like low. Ah, this one I need to go there. Aha, and what I need to do with this thing? That about covers the basic how it's time to get out there and explore. And no matter where your adventure takes, you always keep curiosity and kindness in your heart. Aha, okay. We can go in underground. Oh my god. Ah, it's upgrade. Well, I have less of money. So far I can't upgrade nothing. What is that? It's some berries or what? Ah! You've been knocked out. Return home. Okay, okay. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh damn, it's night also. Where my slime? Ah, oh my god, I thought they gone. So, but let's go into adventure. I see someone is walking here. Aha, we need to buy it to unlock this. Okay, and what is in down? Ah, it's I come from this place and fell down. Okay, all right. Oh, I can run. Okay. Bouncing and down. Oh, one more rooster. One more rooster. Rainbow fields. F1. Every day is one perfect. Unending lazy afternoon in the rainbow fields. The kind that would make anyone want to stretch out across it. Its prismatic grasses, and while away the hour is watching marshmallow clouds drift slowly across the sky. Oh my god, sounds like someone high. Diggy 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 diggy. Ooh, who is that? I catch it. Or vegetables. Oh no. My team is full. I can't take those creatures. Stop! No fly! Come to me. What is that? Oh no! Or I can't. I can't take it. Damn, but it's nice place. Nice place. I don't remember how I reached this place. I need to come back to this place. Look. Damn, boy Benny! Is this a shooting game? No, it's not shooting game. It's like... I don't know, it's not shooting. I'm like... Make a garden. Damn rabbits! Oi. He's stuck! Ah! No! My carrot! Or whoever is that. Okay, I need to come back. I forgot from which area I came. This is too big. Too big to eat! Why he is so big? Carrot. Lol. What is that? Well, here I again. I'm sending the drones out to all their original scoring location. Once I confirm the conditions are the same, I'll get to work. Like it's drone, but it don't work. Damn, what the heck is that? How to come back home? Am I coming back? He exists some map. Oh yeah. Like it's territory which I not unlock, and this is my home. I don't have teleport. I'm on Rainbow Fields. Shit, how to come back home? Where are you? Come here. Pink rabbit! Oh my god. Oh, you're too big. Wing boom. I came like from this place, no? I need go in. What is that? Carrot. Ah, carrot is full. Shit. How to come back home? What is that? Ah! Rooster! I lost you! Oh my god. Damn. Okay, seems like I am on right way. But how to come back? Am I coming back to home? Oh my god, from which? Oh, yeah! Yeah, boy! Coming back. Okay, let me, like... Ah! Ah! No! Fly! Oh my gosh! What are you doing? Ah! No! Flying here! Woo! Oh my god. Okay, coming back. Everyone is coming back to me. Lost me. I'm here. What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, but what I should to do? Like, it's flying. Like air net, high walls, solar shield. The solar shield will enhance a coral, a dim shade. Damn. Well, where is matching? Can I give these creatures to this matching? Ah! No, I can't. Why I need these creatures? Oh my god. Can I put them like here? He eating! Oh no! What the f- What? He ate creature! And what to do with it? Whoa. Well, seems like it can't fly because it's too high. I'm not sure what to do now with them. He eating every- Ah, no. Ah, they all became like that, or what? Yeah! Where you going? Are you cuckoo? They give me some crystals. Eating carrot! Or you enough? Get it. Is they happy? Lol, what to do with these creatures? Oh my god. What is that? I need to call someone or what? Oh my god. What to do in this game? Ah! Trying to fly away! Just a second. I need to give it. Huh. Okay. Interesting but confusing. Yeah. This game has mechanics, let's say, exotic. Well, yeah, it's like interesting. So interesting but confusing, really. I'm like, oh, one more. I have like that. Also there. I just don't understand, like, what to do with these big creatures. Can I sell them? Diet, fruit, veggie, and meat. Where you flying? Rain. Lol, okay. Eating carrot! Why you don't eat carrots? I have 2 roosters yet. We have rain outside. Okay, but... Stop. Do I need... What is that? Carrot. Some fruits, slimes. Largo slimes are a hybrid of 2 slimes resulting from a slime eating a plot unlike its own. The advice is big normal slimes and have a combined diet of their 2 source slimes, making them indicating for ranchers would want to maximize their profits. However, a largo is too big to vac and can only be transported using the end of the vac nozzle. This makes them difficult. In addition, all 2 largos begin from more difficult to manage and having them combined powers of 2 slimes. Plortomonomics. Oh my god. When a largo eats, it produces plorts of both sources slime types, making them potentially very lucrative. Okay, we need more source to... Huh? Hello? What chicken doing here? Oh my god. Can I buy... No, not enough yet. I need for chickens this thing. A little bit more we need. Do you make me crystals? Ah! Slime's running away! Shitty shit. Where are my big slimes? They gone! Leave me, my family alone. What the? My big slime's gone. Shit. Damn. Well. You don't need... Okay. I'm very confused with the object of this game. Yeah, like, me too! Oh, it's too big one. Ah, no, I'm just have full, full. Let me collect this thing. Give me crystals! I will collect 3 crystals and be enough for buy this thing for chicken. For chicken and roosters. Damn, they eating all like they cannibal? They cannibals, they eating like each other. My god. Damn boy, look. Damn, I can't take a yellow one. Shit. $11 of these things I have. I think... Okay, one more. Nice. Come on, guys. Is it their poop? So, I take their poops, yeah? Because their poops are crystals. Well, that's all what I can say, damn. I take their poops. Okay, let me come back. There are more slimes. Walk in there. Crystal. More crystals. More crystals. So okay, let me come back and sell it. Oh, music finished. You see, like there was doon dugu 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 doon dugu dugu dugu, and then you come back to your place and like relax. Okay, even almost enough for I need for chicken. Bye. Yes. Let me put chicken. One rooster I had. I thought I have 2 roosters, but okay. Doing chicken, guys. Doing chickens. I need chickens. Quickly. Make this work. Make this job done. Come on. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Why you don't eating carrot? Come on, babies. Eating carrot. Carrot are so nice and healthy. They ate all carrot. They ate all carrot which was here. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Okay. I took all of them here. Damn, he's everyone big. Let me take the yellow crystals was somewhere, but I don't take them. Yeah, he like make a poop, and I go in a nest and I collect poop. Collecting poop. Oh yeah. Nothing new in chat, lol. Oh no! White one. More chickens. Shit. Ooh, a little chicken. Look. Cute. Okay. Oh, yellow one. Yellow. You come to me. You too. Crystal. One more crystal. One more crystals. Okay. What else? Oh, it's chicken. Oh my god, sorry. Cabbage. What is that? Oh, I unlocked territory. Now I see where these little things. It's nice. Okay. I can't leave. Lol, discover map data mods across the... Yeah, I understand it. If living else without you... I need 2 purple thin. They work or not? I don't understand. Oh, okay, I see.